Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we'll check out the fake news detection project using machine learning. So this will be the complete web page, and here you can check the fake news from URL, text and image based. And this will be the complete about us page, how it works. It will give the complete information like how the project is working with the algorithm and the input collection data, contact us page and the home page. So let's click on analyze now. Just paste that link and then click on analyze button. So it will analyze the news as real and it will show the reason, confidence score, and expected headline. Okay, let's remove that URL and go for the text. I'm writing the text like Modi died on plane crash and government is hiding this truth from us. Then click on analyze button. That will show the verdict as fake, confidence score 88.4%. It will give the reason as well. So let's enter any other text. Scientists found the cure for cancer from cancer using the wine. Then click on analyze button. It will show the fake news confidence score 84.2%. Let's copy the Hindi news and paste it here. Then click on analyze button. It will show the fake news and detected language Hindi, translated text, and the confidence score 91.5%. So let's open any news headline. Scroll down. Let's click on that particular link. Click on fire. Copy that particular URL and paste it here in the URL section. Then click on analyze button. It will show the verdict as real, reason, and the accepted headline. Let's click on image OCR. Let's upload that particular image and they click on analyze button. So it will analyze as real, reason, expected text. Let's select any other image. Then click on analyze button, real image. Let's click on DeepFake and select any image. Then click on analyze button. So it will identify as a deepfake image. Let's download image of Shahrukh Khan. Let me download that particular image and give that image as a input. Let's select this image, then click on detect deepfake. So it will identify as an authenticate image and it will identify as a real image. So this will be the complete project. Let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.